जेते शून्य दृश्याकार अज्ञान निरसुनी अनिवार जे सूक्ष्माहुनी सूक्ष्म सपूर निज ज्ञान. Now what is our being, or what is our essential nature? Nija jnana. Here beautifully said. Jete shunya drushyakara, wherein you make absence as the object of knowledge. Now these two things. What is the world? World is name and form. Nama Rupatmak Jagat. Name and form. Now out of these two, take any one to begin with. Suppose you take the name means the sounds, words. So, sound is produced, it is limited, it ends. Like Sri Ram, Sri Ram. So Sri Ram began, remained for some time, ended. See? So, now the nothingness, absence of the sound will be silence. Now focus your awareness, attention on the silence. This is what we have been telling. Make silence as an object of knowledge. Therefore, listen to silence. Then what will happen? Jete shunya drishyakara. So when we make absence as the object of knowledge, then ajnana nirusuni, then the incomplete knowledge will disappear. Incomplete knowledge is what? What is the meaning of this mantra? Mantra I know, but I don't know what is the meaning. Incomplete knowledge. But in case of the silence, what is there to know? Nothing to know. Then you are that. Jete shunya drishyakara ajnana nirasuni anivara. But the one who is eliminating the absence cannot be negated. Because who has heard the silence? Now see how we hear the silence. When we say Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, how many times it was chanted? 5 times. Why it became 5? Because between the two there was no Hari Om. That means there was absence of Hari Om. See? First Hari Om, second Hari Om, third Hari Om, fourth, fifth. Now this fifth, 5 Hari Oms. Between these 2 Hari Om, there is a space, silence. Second and the third, another silence. But our attention is only on the sounds. The world is created, mind is born, a sequence is created, time is created. See how many things. So even if you take this, so it is so simple, friends. So when we say 5 times Hari Om, so first thing what happened, we have created space. Without the space, there cannot be 5. Then because there are 5, there is a sequence created. Wherever sequence is created, illusion of time is born. See? And wherever there is time and space, object is bound to appear. Because neither we can experience the space nor can we experience the time. What we can experience is time and space is experienced with reference to some object. See? The more we become clear about it, then this becomes easier. Jete shunya drushakara ajnana nirusuni anivara. See? So after negating the nothingness, after making absence as an object, nothing as an object, but this one which is objectifying the absence is the one which can never be negated. Then therefore, J Sukshma Huni Sukshma Sapura. Therefore, this is subtler than the subtlest. Earth is gross, water is subtle. Water is gross, fire is subtle. Fire is gross, air is subtle. Air is gross, space is subtle. Space is gross, mind is subtle. Mind is gross, intellect is subtle. Intellect is gross, life is subtle. Life is gross, pure conscious existence is subtler than the subtlest. इंद्रियेभ्यः परा ह्यर्था अर्थेभ्यश्च परं मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धि बुद्धेरात्मा महान् परः महतः परमव्यक्तम् अव्यक्तात् पुरुषः परः पुरुषान्न परम किंचित सा काष्ठा सा परागति. This is the mantra from Kathopanishad which is referred here. जे सूक्ष्मा हुनि सूक्ष्म सपूर निज ज्ञान यस्मात् क्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रतितः पुरुषोत्तमः. Because I am beyond the Jada Chetana, because I am beyond the Creator created, because I am beyond all the relativity, because I am beyond the first person, second person, third person, and therefore Purushottama. In me everything is. Yet I am uninfluenced by anything. That Chidakasha is my essential nature.